Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video I want to share with you guys how you can be able to start a successful dollar arbitrage business where you can be able to make money consistently online for yourself. All right, now most of you have been asking me questions when it comes to dollar arbitrage. Some of you have gone ahead to ask me, Martins, is dollar arbitrage still working right here in Nigeria? Can I still be profitable when doing dollar arbitrage right here in Nigeria? Now the simple answer to that question is yes. Okay, but the reason why majority of you guys are not yet making money with dollar arbitrage business is simply because of your approach to the business, and that's what I'm here to talk about today. Okay, so I will first of all share with you guys where you are getting it wrong when it comes to dollar arbitrage, or probably majority of other online businesses out there where you are getting it wrong, and what you need to start doing today for you to be able to become profitable when you are doing dollar arbitrage business right here in Nigeria. So if you would like to learn the things you need to stop doing so that you can become profitable when doing dollar arbitrage business right here in Nigeria, make sure to stick to this video, because I will go ahead to share with you guys a unique way you can start implementing right now to be able to build a successful dollar arbitrage business that can generate consistent income each and every month. But before we jump into this video, if today is your first time of coming to my channel, or if today is your first time of seeing my videos, and you want to learn how you can be able to consistently make money online, you want to see the different business models that you can go ahead and implement step by step to start making money online, this channel is going to show you everything you need to do to kickstart your online business, whereby you will get ahead, start making money online, following the simple strategies that me, my friends, and my students are using to make money online. So if this is the kind of videos that you want to always stay updated with, do well to make sure to subscribe to this channel. Once you have done that, like this video and click that bell notification icon, so that once I drop a new YouTube video right here, YouTube will notify you so that you come right here and take advantage of the information I'm sharing right here, free of charge, to go ahead and implement it to start making money for yourself. Now, how do you go ahead to start making money online using dollar arbitrage business right here in Nigeria or in any country that you are in right now? So to be able to share with you guys this information and help you guys to understand what you need to go ahead to do for you to be able to start making money with dollar arbitrage, I've gone ahead to break this video into 3 parts. All right, so the first part of this video is where I'm going to be sharing with you what you are currently doing wrong that have stopped you from making money with dollar arbitrage business or any other online business model out there. And the second part is what has helped people like me and others that do dollar arbitrage successfully to quickly start making money using that simple business model. Now, the third part of the video is what you are going to start doing right now so that you can be able to build a successful dollar arbitrage business for yourself, whereby you can be able to make consistent income each and every day for yourself. Now, the reason why you have not started making money with dollar arbitrage business or any of these other online business model that you have learned about is simply because of the way you are treating that business. Okay, now majority of you guys right here that have not started making money with any of this online business or dollar arbitrage as an example is simply because you are seeing these businesses as a get rich quick scheme businesses, just like MMM and co. Okay, now this is not what these businesses are. These businesses are not what you come and put in 5 naira today and in next 1 hour you will get 10 naira. Before you can be able to start having that kind of leverage in this kind of business, you would have invested a lot of time, a lot of effort in prepping up that business so that it will get to a certain level whereby you can be able to make certain income each and every day for yourself. So your expectation of instant results from a business you just started is simply the reason why you have not started succeeding in dollar arbitrage or any of these online business model you are into. And this violates one of the basic principles of business, that you have to provide values before you can be able to generate results. Okay, so you have to put in effort in whatever you're trying to do for a specified number of time or a specified number of days for you to be able to start expecting results from what you are doing. So you have to understand that your impatience is costing you a lot. Don't forget that most of the creators you're seeing right here today that are sharing with you online business principles or models or things you have to do to start making money online have been been doing this stuff for months, for years, before they could go ahead to start achieving tangible results for themselves that they can come ahead and share with you right here. Okay, so it didn't happen overnight for them, so it will not happen overnight for you. So you have to take your time to implement whatever you're learning step by step, so that it can be able to work for you, just like as I'm going to be showing you what you are going to be doing from today to be able to start making money with dollar arbitrage, to be able to build a successful dollar arbitrage business for yourself. And if you follow it consistently and implement it for a number of days, a number of weeks, you will be able to start getting tangible results for yourself. Now, the second thing I would like to share with you right here in this video is why it looks like people like me are easily succeeding when it comes to most of this online business that we are sharing with you guys right here. Now, you have to understand that we have acquired the experience and the knowledge that is required for us to do anything we want to do online very quickly and to achieve quick results, because we also have the money to go ahead to implement what we want to implement to achieve faster results than someone that is starting from scratch. For example, if I want to sell a product right here, maybe a physical product now, I can easily pick that product. I can set up a website in a day. I can write copies for that product the same day. I can go ahead and set up a Facebook ad to drive traffic to that product the same day. I can start getting that product delivered to the customers that wants to buy it, because I've also gotten the delivery agents that can go to different states to deliver those products for me. Now, as a newbie that is just getting started, you don't have access to all those things that I have access to. So it's going to definitely take you some time for you to be able to build them up. And once you have built them up, that's when you can easily click your finger right now and you can start printing money on the web each and every day for yourself. But you have to understand that you don't have that leverage that we have now. It has taken us time to also build our own leverage, and it will also take you time to build your own leverage. Now, to dollar arbitrage, the reason why it looks like people like me are succeeding quickly with dollar arbitrage business is simply because we already have people that are into internet marketing, people that are bloggers, people that are earning their money in PayPal or Payoneer, and these people always need cash because they are living in Nigeria where they cannot easily withdraw their funds from Payoneer down to their Nigerian bank account. So they need an intermediary that will going to be providing them with the naira they need and also sending their PayPal funds to them. Now, because we have been online for some time and we have been able to build up those people, and those people trust us to do business with us, and we also trust them because we know that they are earning their money legitimately from those platforms. So we can now go ahead to get them to send us their PayPal funds or their Payoneer funds, and we go ahead and give them the naira equivalent of their money. So that's why it looks like we are succeeding quickly. But like I said, I have a specific way that I'm going to be sharing with you today. If you are serious about making money with dollar arbitrage business, and if you follow it consistently, you will be able to get to the level where we are now, where you can go ahead and start printing money every day for yourself using dollar arbitrage without even having to do any other stuff. So here is an example of the type of bloggers that I'm telling you guys that we are working with. Okay, so we already have a bunch of people like this in our pipeline that we buy Payoneer funds or PayPal funds from them to send them naira each and every time they have funds to sell. Okay, now I'm not working with this person, and that's the reason why I'm sharing it right here. So you can go ahead and build up your portfolio using what I'm going to be sharing with you, and go ahead and start reaching out with this kind of people. By then you already have a portfolio that these people can trust, because they know that once they do business with you, you are not going to run away with their money. Because the reason most of you are not making money with this is simply because people cannot trust you to send you their funds. Okay, and if people can trust you, there is no way you are going to make money or build a successful business out of that. Okay, because lack of trust means no business. But when there is trust, people will definitely do business with you. Now you have to understand that for you to become successful when doing dollar arbitrage business, people have to trust you so that they can be able to send their funds to you and you send them the naira equivalent. If people don't trust you when it comes to this business, you will never make money from this. And that's why I advise that you need to build up your own portfolio so that you can be able to build up that trust for people to trust you and wants to do business with you. Okay, now that brings us to the third part of this video, which is what you are going to do right now to be able to build up your portfolio and build up that trust so that you can easily get people like most of these bloggers or people that are earning PayPal funds or Payoneer funds to start reaching out to you, not you reaching out to them now. Because when they reach out to you, it means that they already trust you to want to do business with you. Okay, so that's what I'm going to be showing you. One of the ideas that you have to go ahead and implement right now, and when you build this stuff for a particular period of time, you will start getting this kind of people to reach out to you, and you will start buying their Payoneer and PayPal funds to start making money for yourself using dollar arbitrage business model. So here is an idea that I have for any newbie that wants to succeed with the dollar arbitrage business model right here in Nigeria. What you have to do is to go ahead and look out for brands that are doing things similar like what you want to do, and see how these people build their brand, so that you can go ahead to build your brand and build that trust and have that portfolio that I'm talking about right here in this video. Now, one of those people that have done that is this Twitter handle right here known as Naira Rate. Okay, so these are people that tweet out unofficial Naira exchange rates every blessed day. Okay, now these people started when the federal government went clamping down on people like Aboki FS and all those websites that used to give us the Naira exchange rate update. Okay, now that's how these people come about with this particular one right here, and this one is moving. As you can see right here, they already have 144,000 followers right here, and you can go ahead and implement this same model right here in your dollar arbitrage business to start making money for yourself. Now, how do you do this? Now, if you look right here, you will find out that all these people are tweeting right here is just tweeting exchange rate. Okay, here they say 1 USD is currently going for 739 naira, 1 pound is going for 940, 1 euro is going for 830. Okay, now this is very, very easy for you to do. Then the way you are going to be implementing your own right here is to go ahead and join most of these PayPal exchange rate groups. Okay, so you can find tons of them on Facebook, or you can go ahead and find tons of them on WhatsApp. They have so many places that they congregate. Okay, I have also shared one of them that I'm going to be dropping the link down in the description of this video. All you'll be doing in those groups is to find out the exchange rate that those people are charging each and every day, and go ahead and set up a similar account just like this Naira Rate account right here, where you'll be updating your PayPal and Payoneer exchange rate. Okay, now what you're going to be doing different from those people in those groups is that, for example, let's say that these people are buying $1 Payoneer funds. Make sure that they are buying it for like 650 naira right now. Now you can come on your own page and update that you are buying your own for 660 naira. 10 naira makes a lot of difference. Okay, because if somebody wants to sell $1,000 of Payoneer funds and you are adding 10 naira for that person, it means that at the end of the day, the person will get 10,000 naira extra just by dealing with you than dealing with the person that is selling 650. Okay, so you see the ideas that comes with this thing, and this is not an overnight success something. That's why I said that in the beginning, that you need to leave that mindset of achieving quick results with any business model you want to build, except when you have gotten to a certain level where people knows and trust you that they're going to deliver on what you have promised to them. Okay, but since you're a newbie, you don't know anybody, nobody knows you, and you don't want to start putting yourself out there, this is a very unique way you can go about this. Join most of those Payoneer and PayPal exchange groups, find out the rates that they are buying and selling their own. Go ahead and start tweeting your own prices each and every day. This can literally take you like 5 minutes per day for you to tweet. Make sure you are updating it every day, and before you know it, more people is going to be following you. More people will get to know about your brand. More people will get to know about what you're doing, and once they know about what you are doing, then definitely they start following you. Now, once they start following you, once they have Payoneer or PayPal funds to sell, or they know someone that have Payoneer or PayPal funds to sell, you will be their #1 person that they will run to. Or even if someone wants to buy, okay, you will also be their #1 person that they will run to get them to provide our services for them. This is one of the ways you could be able to build a successful dollar arbitrage business right here in Nigeria and start making money for yourself each and every day. Remember, this is not a get rich quick scheme. Okay, this is not going to happen overnight, because people need to trust you. You have to build up that following, you have to build up that portfolio, you have to build up that followers for you to now start getting consistent results from this same business model. All right, now there are many ways which you also go ahead to start making money with dollar arbitrage business. I've shared most of those ways in most of my videos, so you can go ahead and also watch most of those videos and pick one of them and become consistent in doing what I advise you guys to be doing in those videos. Because I could remember in one of those videos, I talked about how you can easily set up a blog targeted for people that want to sell their Payoneer funds or their PayPal funds and grow it. All these things is going to take you time, but once you have gone ahead to build this stuff, this will become very, very tangible to you, that it can go ahead and print you money each and every day on autopilot. Now, this is what I'll have for you guys in this video. And a quick disclaimer right here, please, anyone that is contacting you or anyone that is using my profile picture to send you a message or to do anything telling you that they are going to buy your Payoneer funds or sell the Payoneer funds for you, or PayPal funds, or buy Payoneer funds, please do not listen to these people, okay? These people are going to take your money. They are not me. Most of them will be dropping their numbers and everything on the comment section. And like I said, I already have people that I'm dealing with, and I have to trust what you are doing before I go ahead to do business with you. I hope you find this video valuable. Do let me know if you do, and also if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing to this channel, and also do well to like this video and click the bell notification icon to get updated once I share a new video right here with you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I hope one of you guys right here is going to pick up this idea right now and work with it to build a sustainable dollar arbitrage business that can be able to help you to build a long-term business down the line. Okay, thank you once again for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.